Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the 4 most popular web browsers on your Lenovo tablet mate. So we're going to start from the Adobe Edge. In the Adobe Edge, in the tablet mode, go to the three dot button and choose New in Private tab. That's it. The next one is Opera. In Opera, click here on the taskbar icon, switch to the private, add a tab. The next one, the Firefox. In the welcoming screen, just click on the Zero Mask. In the taskbar icon, sorry about that. In the taskbar icon, just click on the Zero Mask and add a private. And the last one, the Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, click here on this three dot icon or arrow icon and choose New Incognito tab. And now all of your history, the words from the keyboard and cookies files, the completed forms will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.